Hello, I'm Gracie. Today I'm going to begin from Footprints Without Feet, the third lesson, The Midnight Visitor, written by Robert Arthur. Now in this story, there are two main characters of Possible as a detective and Fowler, a writer. Fowler is keen interested in writing about detective stories. So he had a lot of thrill to write a story about detectives. He has read earlier many stories. And one fine day he comes to meet Possible because he wants to get some thrill of the day. Looking at the sight of Possible, Fowler feels very disappointed because Possible was very short, fat, and he was not looking just like a detective. He knew to speak German as well as French, but his accent was American accent, which Fowler did not like it. While they are talking along the way, Possible took him to his room. It was on the 6th floor in the French restaurant, French hotel. There they go along, and while they walk, they open the door on the 6th floor where Possible stays. He takes him there and he says, "Today I am going to get very important report and I have called some police. And it will change the course of the history. Men and women are trying to get that report." And he opens the door. While he opens the door, he sees Max. Max was having automatic pistol and he pointed the pistol at Possible. And there he makes up that I was supposed to get a report and so on and so forth to Fowler. And Fowler feels very happy to look at Max because Max was giving him the thrill of detective. So he looks so happy, and Possible goes on telling that I am going to get a very important report, and this is the second time someone is coming through the balcony window, entering in my room. And I have told the authorities to close that balcony, to close that window, but they are not seems to be listening to me. And after some time, it happened, Possible waits, he tells, previously he plans to call a waiter with 2 glasses with wine. Meantime, while they were conversing with each other, waiter comes there. He knocks at the door, and Possible prudently sharply tells to Fowler that I have called the police because it wasn't such important report that I am going to get. Therefore, I have called the police to preserve that report. And while the knocking was going on from outside, he tells that I have to open the door right now. And Max feels very scared. Max feels that he has to escape from the scene. So what he does is, as Possible has told that there is a balcony down, and from the balcony window somebody came into my room. All that story he makes up, and Max thinks it is true story. And what Max does is, in order to hide himself from the police, he just goes near the window and holds the pistol at Possible. And after some time, it happens, Possible goes and opens the door. And Max just jumps. There was no balcony at all. He jumps from the 6th floor to ground floor and he gives a big scream, big shout. That means he was fallen on the floor. And that was the end. Later, Possible opens the door for the waiter. And Fowler says, where are the police? And immediately Ossible says that I have made up this story. I have actually not called any police, neither I have any report. And oh, Fowler feels so glad, and after that both of them, Fowler and Ossible, both start to dream. And this is the end of this story here. I'll give you some more important questions which may help you for your exams. The first one is, why was Ossible different from other secret agents as Fowler had read about? It was because he was not fit. He was not even smart. He was short and he was very fat. He spoke German and French, but he had accent of America. He lived in French hotel on the 6th floor. The next question is, how did Max enter the room? Why did he tell this to Ossible? Max probably entered the room with a pass door key. He told this to Ossible because it was the second time in a month that somebody had got into his room through the balcony. He told that he had no idea about the balcony. I hope you like this summary of this lesson, The Midnight Visitor. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and press the bell icon. Thank you.